Okay, in this video, say you want to remove these three folders that if you click on them and then you right click them, it will say something like this, right? You require permission from trusted installer to make changes to this folder. But the thing is that these are your files, and then what you're gonna do is you can head up to Google and search text ownership context menu and head on to 10forums.com. And then what you want to do next, you want to scroll down and download this one. After you have downloaded it, just open up download, and then you can just left click this, yes, then head on back to your folder which has the files you want to delete, and you can click on this and it will say yes for all of them. Just wait until it's done. So what this basically do is just overwriting the ownership of these files. Just have to wait until it's done. You can try some of them, delete them. As you can see here, the pop-up doesn't appear. Try again. See, some of them got successfully removed. But for now, we can just do it all over again. Take ownership. Yes. Just say yes to everything. It's the same anyway. Just have to wait for it to be completed. Still not finished, means there are a lot of files here. That's okay, just have to wait. It's going to get done. After it's done, you can head on delete. There you go. Now you can delete all the files here. Yes. And there you have it. Everything is deleted, so this is how you can delete files that has the ownership problems. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.